And one thing that may or may not be on your hurricane preparedness list, maybe it should be, donating blood.
So officials with blood donation centers on the First Coast say they need more regular donors so they're prepared for bad weather. Renata Gregorio is on your side this morning with why they're urging you to help out. Now, Renata, they say this isn't just about being ready when a hurricane hits.
It's not, Keitha. Officials with blood donation centers say they need to be stocked up with blood donations, so even if the hurricane never hits, their supply is okay, even when blood drives are canceled due to bad weather. American Red Cross estimates that 1,000 blood and platelet donations were not collected because of canceled blood drives when Hurricane Ian hit last year. Red Cross sent hundreds of blood products to Florida, even though they say they don't typically service hospitals in our state. They're supporting their partners through a disaster response task force, and Life South Community Blood Centers is part of a group of blood centers ready to respond to national emergencies too. James Scahn with Life South says they want people to add give blood to their hurricane checklist because they have a 1 to 2 day supply of blood at any given time, but ideally they would have double that.
We are generally an emergency need in Jacksonville, more often than not. We have blood to supply to our hospitals, but like I said, as far as the reserve goes that we want to hit for, it's rare to get there. We just need more people to be regular donors.
On this story on firstcoastnews.com, you can find where to donate blood nearest you. Renata Gregorio, First Coast News, on your side.